How to disable Weverse settings. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So disabling the Weverse settings can include several meanings. Here are some options for you what you might want to do in the Weverse app. So you can first go ahead and customize or turn off the specific settings. You can't really disable the entire settings menu, but you can change individual settings within it. So tap on the More icon from the Weverse homepage and tap on the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Now here you can change your settings according to your choice. You can also go ahead and disable the notifications. So for that, you need to go to homepage and there you will see the option of bell icon in the top. Tap on it again, and from here you can turn on or off the notification for the Weverse application. You can also limit the activity tracking through your phone's privacy setting, and this is not a Weverse setting. So set time limits for the app in your iPhone or Android device. And you can also prevent Weverse from accessing certain features on your phone. For that, you can tap on hold on to this Weverse application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then go to permissions and enable or disable any permission that you would like. After that, you can also reset the Weverse to default setting. There is no reset setting button, but instead you can clear the app's cache by going to its app info and then go to storage, click on clear cache, and you'll be done. You can also first stop this application and re-enable it again. And finally, you can delete and reinstall the app on both Android and iOS to start with a fresh installation. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.